Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to yet another webinar presentation from Moldex 3D on the topic of using simulation to optimize injection molding cycle time. In today's world, in the fast-paced world where AI is taking over and making things a lot faster, we all want to save on time. And optimizing the injection molding cycle time will save not only the auspicious time, but also money. And let's see how Moldex 3D simulation can help you optimize that. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Account Manager here at Moldex 3D, and I'll be walking you through this presentation today. Without further ado, let's get started. Today, I'll be talking about introducing the cycle time, what the concept is in injection molding, pretty basic, and then optimizing the filling time, the packing time, and the cooling time using various tricks and methods. Injection molding cycle time can be broken into 4 main phases: the filling stage, the packing stage, the cooling, and the mold open. Today, we'll be talking about optimizing the 3 highlighted in red here: the filling, packing, and the cooling time. Optimizing cycle time through the simulation. So in filling stage, we'll be looking at 2 different methodologies. One is the U-curve theory, and second is looking at balancing the shear heating versus the cooling. For packing, we'll be looking at determining the gate freeze time and also how to use the molten core result, and also look at additional factors to consider while optimizing the packing time. And finally, the major chunk of the portion of the time being used at cooling, we'll be looking at it in depth as to how to use the result of time to eject under the cooling results in Moldex 3D. So filling time happens to be a small portion of the total injection molding cycle time, but nonetheless, we want to optimize each and every portion of the pie in order to make a significant saving at the end.